Alam nyo ba, dito sa Switzerland, bawal ang maingay dito, guys. So, dapat, wag kayo, pag pupunta kayo dito, wag kayong masyadong maingay kasi ayaw nilang maingay. Ito kasi yung place na dapat silent lang, tameme lang mga tao dito. Because they really wanted to have peaceful places here. So walang masyadong maingay dito. Kung may maingay man, so ako yon. None other than, greater than, less than, ako yon. So dapat, we need to respect their culture here because hindi tayo taga dito, guys. I lived here for 6 years and I work here also. But we need to respect their culture also here if you want to live longer here, guys. So ganon dapat lang, guys. So if you're going to go here in Switzerland, dapat wag kayong maingay kasi ayaw nila ng maingay, guys. So see ya.